I'm looking at the Remington Hydraluxe Pro hairdryer. Now I'm going to open it up and have a look. And then my daughters will be using this because I don't have any hair on my head, so a hairdryer is no good with me. Let's have a look. Hairdryer cap, attachments. As I say, they'll be giving it a good try out and see their views on it. All tightly packed in there. Let's take that out. I see that's got a plastic strap on it, a cable underneath. Instructions, so you can have a good read through. That's the release for it. There it is. Now it's got a digital motor that delivers a precise airflow with speeds up to 160 kilometres, which is, I suppose, just shy of 100 miles an hour. And it claims 50% faster drying than a standard 2200 watt hairdryer. So as I say, I'll give it a try, and my daughters try it out, and then come back with my review.